So everyone, recently I have created a TikTok channel like this and I want to show you how I make these videos. First, let's check some of the videos I have created.
Financial freedom even if you have zero experience. Okay. My entire early life school years were simply preparing me to become an employee. So what is affiliate marketing? In affiliate marketing, you will be promoting someone else's product. I'd like to get really real with you for a minute. That do you wants to start an online business but doesn't know where to begin?
So I think you have now got the basic idea of how these videos are. So let's get started by first doing how I am going to create the voiceover. So as you can see, all of my voiceover are actual voice that looks like human voice. So for that I use a software called this Speechelo or Blast Online. So that is very easy. So you just need to go to here and type whatever the script you want, and you can select the voice or other things, and the setting I use AI voice with the friendly tone, and I will click generate. So once I generate it, it will be here, and you can see
We
these
all
are the
love
videos I
ClickFunnels,
have created previously.
but for beginners who are starting,
So once you do that, now the voice is ready. The next thing you need to do is download this. So when you are downloading, they will ask you to add a background noise, but that is the paid feature. I mean, the upgraded version of Speech only will have that. So I'm not going to do that, but I will add that later, as you have seen in my video. So I will just click no, just download, and it will download. So once that is downloaded, I'm going to open the software that I'm using for video animation, that is called Doodly. Doodly is a very easy software to make animations that catch people's eyes and have people's attention very easily. So in here you can see this is my latest video I have created, and here I have added everything, and inside here I
there's a
can actually
20.
start and see
Oh,
this. So first let's remove some of this. So I will show you how to add this. So the first thing is how to add an image. So to add an image, you can actually go to here and search. And if you want to add a special image that you have created, you can click this plus button and click here and upload that image. So as for my case, I guess that was something like affiliate. So here's the picture. So I'm just going to drag and drop that here. So next thing is that after you resize this to the screen, and next you need to set in how many seconds does the hand should draw this picture. So I would like this to make 10, as this is a big picture. So now it will take 10, but you will know how to adjust these images if once you add the audio. So let's do that. So go to sound and click plus button and click browse, and after that add the video that you have just created or using the speech law I have shown before. So once you did, you can click continue, and here that audio will be added. You can see it is added. So you can drag and drop and leave it to this field. If you want, you can use this microphone to record your own voices also. So you can see now if I go here and play, the
there's a
sound
20.
will come of this.
Dollar.
So next step is to add a background noise. So to add a background noise, you can see here Doodly has a lot of background noise. So just go there and drag and drop that, and that's all done. And make sure this one volume is at 4%, so it will be more like a background noise, otherwise you can't hear your own voice added by here also. So once you do that, and here you can see I have in the next scene I have added text also, same thing. You can just go to here and take a font you like and drag and drop, and here you can double click and add the text you want, and you can give it the duration. Don't worry, everything once you buy this software, everything will be explained. And the best thing about this software is you have to pay only once, no need to pay monthly. So once you pay, you will get the software. And once you start this, you can create a video like this in like 5 minutes or less. So now that everything is ready, now I will show you how to export this to MP4 file so you can import it to TikTok or anything else. So for that, just click export, and here make sure MP4 is select, and the resolution you can select whatever you want. So this is the resolution that I'm using to post to TikTok. So I will keep it like this and click continue. So this will finally render the scene and you will get your MP4 file saved in the destination you have seen below. So the two softwares I'm using is SpeechHello and Doodly. You can find the link in the below for those two softwares. And if you have any question, you can just contact us at zamtech.com. So thank you for watching. And make sure to hit the subscription button for more videos like this. And I will be very grateful if you leave a thumbs up to this video. Thank you.